Sweep up any solid or large dirt and debris before dry mopping. Next, using a dry dust mop, remove all remaining loose, dry soil. Pre-treated dust mops are not recommended since these products can transfer and attract soil. Replace the pad once it becomes visibly dirty. Next, wet clean. Use pH-neutral hard surface floor cleaner and follow manufacturer's instructions for dilution. Common methods include: Method 1. Use a damp microfiber wet mop pad to clean. Finish by rinsing with water only. Method 2. Two mop bucket system. Use pH-neutral hard surface floor cleaner. Always finish rinsing with clean water. Repeat water rinse process if necessary to remove any residue haze. Floor should be fully dry before allowing traffic. Using a single strainer mop bucket is not recommended. This mopping system relocates soil, leaving behind a soil-attracting residue. Have questions? Contact Patcraft. Always refer to maintenance guidelines for your product.